welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I got another cool toy, which is the machine gun. And you see here you can get it in these two colors. So let's open it. There's a tape here, so let's open it from the other side. Oh wow, so we have to build it. So we got that piece. Now we got the biggest piece, I believe. It's not coming out. Yeah. So the pieces are this we got. And so guys, you get it in I believe that's dark blue and green, so I bought it in this color because I like it in this color. And here's where the light will come. And we have more pieces. This is the biggest piece, which you should. And we have one last. So guys, in this packet we got the bullets and the stand. So let's open it. Okay. So here is the gun's bullets. So let's start with the bullets. So you assemble this like this. You have to put the peg, this hole into the pegs, which is kind of hard actually. Yeah, and I'll show you how to do it. And to put this inside, just put it like this, and then actually there was some. And this we'll put it in the side. In the next piece, we are going to put it like this. And here's where the light will come from. And we got the stand. No, what happened? Yes, like this. And we have this piece, which I believe you should look through. It's not the color. Yeah. Now here's the back. So to put the back, you get this little like a battery or whatever. You have to put this down and tighten this up like that. Now I'm gonna put the batteries. So guys, I'm putting the batteries. And one goes here, up here, actually it's the wrong side. So one goes up here. So let's put this in. Okay. Like this. And now we open it. And there's a little hole here. Just do here, and now. So let's test it out, but before testing, let's put this. So that's the noise. And now so maybe. Guys, you have to put it more inside, so let's go. Okay, so more inside, much more inside. So guys, that's how you do it. No. the last the clip inside these holes, and we have to clip it in. So guys, I assembled the gun. So let's test it. So guys, I'm gonna shoot. So here's the laser. And it's spinning. So guys, it's a nice toy. It's an army gun, and the price is 500. But if you see on the bill, so guys, it's 500 rupees. And I bought it from Amazon. The link is in the description. You can buy it from there. And it's a pretty nice toy. If I say I don't have any complaints. And you can see through here. And I can see you guys. So guys, that's it from the video. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Be in touch. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.